Hi there! Meet the Jolensoy 7-tier kids bookshelf, a natural wood book rack designed for children's rooms. Made from original pine wood, it offers strong support and features rounded corners to keep kids safe. Measuring 29.5 by 11.8 by 31.5 inches, it's the perfect height for little hands to reach books and toys easily. With space to hold up to 120 books plus toys or blocks, it helps keep playrooms tidy and organized. Assembly is simple with clear instructions, so you can set it up quickly without hassle. Plus, it includes a removable canvas storage box that's easy to clean, ensuring a neat and healthy space for your child. This bookshelf combines functionality, safety, and style to support your child's learning and play. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.